So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to see where you are logged in Facebook. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Facebook account, and to see where you are logged in you can simply tap on three line which is available on the top right corner. So tap here, then tap on settings icon which is available at the top right corner, then tap on personal details, then tap or scroll down and tap on password and security. After that, you can see the option of where you are logged in. So tap here. Then tap on Facebook. Then see where you are logged in. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.